my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. This is episode 5 and last episode of my beauty basics series, and in this video I will show you guys how to get a perfect highlight and blush. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. After contouring my face, I usually like to do highlighter before blush. So for that, you can either use a cream-based highlighter or a powder highlighter. Cream-based highlighters are really good if you have dry skin, and powder-based highlighters are really good if you have oily skin. So for today, I'm gonna use a powder-based highlighter, and I got this highlighter from Maybelline called Master Chrome. It's in shade Molten Gold. Highlighting is usually done on high points of your face. So for example, on your cheekbones, a little on your forehead. I usually use the temples, and then bridge of your nose and on your chin, and a little on top of your lip. For highlighting today, I'm gonna use this fluffy big brush from QO, and I'm gonna put a little highlighter on it, and I'm gonna dab it so that the excess powder comes out, and then I'm gonna go on top of my cheekbones. So I'm gonna just go with very light hand. So as you can see that this part of my face looks more glowy than this part of my face. And now I'm gonna go on top of my temples. So I'm gonna take a little again, and then I'm just gonna go on top of the arc right over here. It's gonna give that dewy effect on my face. You can also use hands for the highlighter as well. So I'm gonna take my middle finger and I'm just gonna put a little on it, and then I'm gonna apply it right on top of my cheekbone, and I'm gonna go in a dabbing motion. This highlighter is highly pigmented, so be careful while using it. Make sure that you do not put a lot on your face and it does not look awkward and no harsh lines are left. And then for forehead, we're gonna go on top of the temple again. For nose, I'm gonna use a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take a little powder on it, and I'm gonna dab it, and I'm gonna go on bridge of my nose, and then on the tip of my nose. And then whatever product is left on my brush, I'm just gonna scoop up. For my chin, I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and just roughly brush it off. And also for my upper lips. So now I'm done with my highlighter, and we're gonna move on to blush. For blushes, we have 4 types of blush. The first one is cream-based blush, second one is powder-based blush, third one is cream to powder-based blush, and fourth one is serum blush. The color of your blushes depends on your skin undertones. If you have a warmer undertone, you would go more into pinkish colored blushes. If you have a cooler undertone, you would go more into corals and light colors. And if you have a neutral undertone like me, you can go into any color blushes. So for today, we're gonna use NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush. This is in the shade Bang Bang. This is a powder blush, and I'm gonna use this brush from Smashbox. The number is 16, and I'm gonna take a little blush on my brush, and I'm gonna dab it so that the excess comes off, since this is very pigmented and we don't want to look like clown. So I'm gonna start putting the blush right behind apple of my cheeks. First, I'm gonna apply it by dabbing, and then I'm gonna go in circular motions to blend it into my foundation. So while applying your blush, you have to make sure that you're going in upward motion so that your face looks more sculpted and nice. So we're gonna draw a large round circles and in upward motion. And we're making sure that we're going in our hairline. We're gonna do the same thing on the left side of our face. First application, and then we're gonna go in round motions. And also we're gonna take a little on our brush, and then we're gonna apply it very lightly on our forehead. A little bit on our chin and nose. If you feel that somewhere you put more product than it was needed, or if you think that you left any harsh line behind, you can use a clean brush and you can go in a round circular motions all over your face or wherever you feel that you have more product, and then you can just brush it off. Thank you so much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. If you have any suggestions or comments, please put them down in the comment box. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys!